So this is mine. You see this?
What's that?
I stickers is a My Melody from Pampri, but I don't know this name. But just tell me, the Cinnamon Hello Kitty. The back is that I don't know. But it's Chinese. Okay, we are
It's only a star party.
okay, and we're gonna open this. But sure to subscribe. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go open. Let's go. I hope that's salad. Wow, you see this? Hey, push it like this, like this.
Konti na lang yung sa'yo.
And then you see this.
Show it all.
This is my.
You can...
This is this one. You see? Oh, no, it's falling. Hey, I don't. I will just show them. And then after that, you see this. This is
Which is
Chromie.
that from?
Chromie, that's my best friend favorite thing.
Who's best friend?
Willow. So, let me show this another thing for you. This is Cinnamon. Is a girl or a boy?
Show it. You cannot see it.
This is a Cimarol. Tell me, is it a girl or a boy, okay? Let me put this back. So they are making a new video. So, because this is my wow on the play. But I will show you
You
this.
cover ate.
And then this is Pam Pam Print. Hey, Tiffany! So this, let's move on. And Melody, my favorite character. My favorite character. Look, I forgot it's not the character. Sorry. It's a mistake here. You like it? So this is what I will show you. And this is the Hello Kitty. So let's open it. This is Hello Kitty. Here. We're moving on the stickers. You can see.
Tiffany, lagot ka kay ate mo.
And sorry, Tiffany, don't give a like to Tiffany because she's trying to ruin the video. Over here, look at her girl. Look her. Look at her. She's the one. Okay, she don't like to say that first.
Then naman.
And then Tiffany. Okay, you don't like to see her face. You want to see her face? Come on.
Nababalik ka na. Bakit? Ay, ito mo pala yung princess.
This is the princess. But when you see a box, that means it's the girl who were making a videos kanina. Wow, you see this? But just be carefully because she's.
Stop.
That's her. She's the one making bullying. Okay, let me get the last. Here's the
Wait, that's
last.
pa. Sige, oh.
Here, the Barbie stickers. You see all of the stickers here. We will get one here. Just wait. Let me just open. You get one. That's not. It's not. Okay, here. See, but you're not allowed to put stickers in your face, okay? Because I'm just showing you. Do not.
Tiffany, ang ingay mo.
But I'm sorry for the noise because Tiffany. So, Tiffany has to be quiet or I will just still like in this because this video is only for when we grown up so big. We can still check our video so we can remember all of the memories. Bye!